Hi, I'm Andy Grover, Stratis Team Lead. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 includes support for Stratis 1.0, a new local storage management solution that aims to improve ease of use for advanced storage features like thin provisioning, snapshots, and cache tiering. Stratis doesn't just help setting up storage, it continually monitors its pools for alerts and handles routine maintenance tasks automatically. Stratis' management model focuses on a storage pool, which is made up of one or more block devices and from which Stratis file systems are created. These file systems are thin provisioned, meaning that each only consumes as much space in the pool as required by the files within it. This automatic sizing saves the user from having to guess how big each file system should be at the outset, or manually growing the logical volume and file system as it nears its capacity. Thin provisioning also enables creating efficient copy-on-write snapshots of existing file systems. This can be used to clone new file systems from a seed, new file systems which can then be used independently, but which save pool space by sharing data blocks for content that hasn't changed. Or, as the name says, a snapshot can be a moment-in-time view of a changing file system, which can be rolled back to if needs be, or used as a stable source for creating a backup. Stratis 1.0 also supports a cache tier. Using smaller but fast devices as a cache for a larger data pool can be a cost-effective way to achieve good performance across a large pool of data. A Stratis pool may have a cache tier added after the pool has been created, and even while the pool remains online. Stratis is not implemented as a from-scratch in-kernel file system like ZFS or Btrfs. Instead, Stratis integrates existing components, the state-of-the-art XFS file system, and Linux's device mapper capabilities, which have a long track record of use by LVM and others. By tightly tying these existing layers together, Stratis delivers features faster and more reliably than creating a new custom version of functionality that already exists. This is true of Stratis 1.0's feature set, and also gives Stratis a rich feature roadmap that incorporates layers providing integrity, RAID, dedupe compression, and more. Finally, Stratis' hybrid user kernel approach is ideal positioning for it to fit within the greater Linux storage API ecosystem. Stratis 1.0 natively supports an API via the Linux dbus message bus protocol. This will enable higher-level system configuration and orchestration software to support Stratis directly. Stratis itself is also well-positioned to use other storage management APIs in time, perhaps including Ceph RBD, SNIA Swordfish, or Amazon EBS. Stratis 1.0, now available and supported in RHEL 8.